Alright guys, just got the bonus on a $10 bet. Beizhu Zhao Food. Let's go. Let's set off some of those other firecrackers. They're ready. Come on. Something. I like that. Let's keep it going. Come on. There we go. Alright. Come on. Set something else off. Oh, nice. A 50. It's going to double it. Oh, really? Come on. Let's set off another row. There we go. Every spin resets it. Let's get that ultra. Let's get that ultra. Come on. Actually, zone would be really nice too. Come on, 2 spins left. There we go. Let's drop a word. How about a word? Minning 100, minor 200, major 583. Oh. It's got to do something. Nothing? Alright. There we go. Come on. Zone. 2 more spots to fill for the grand. Oh. Come on. 3 chances for the grand. Let's go. The grand is at 5,000. I'm gonna let the machine think for a second. Right now. Come on. Drop one. Still not a bad bonus. I love that sound. All right. Till the next one.